Data types are key to visualization. Categorical data are groups, colors, sizes. Numerical data are quantities, counts, measurements.
Plot choice is critical. For categorical, bar charts show counts. For numerical, histograms show distributions. Scatter, line plots relationships, trends.
In Python, Matplotlib or Seaborn simplify this. Simulate simple data, categories, values, then generate basic plots instantly to uncover insights.
Data can be broadly classified into two main types: categorical and numerical. Categorical data represents types or groups, such as names, labels, or categories, and can be nominal, without order, e.g., department, or ordinal, with a meaningful order, e.g., rating. Numerical data, also known as quantitative data, consists of numbers that can be measured or counted, and can be discrete, countable integers, e.g., number of projects completed, or continuous, any value within a given range, e.g., monthly salary. The choice of plot depends heavily on the type of data you're visualizing and the insights you aim to uncover. For categorical data. Nominal. No inherent order. A *** bar plot ** is ideal for showing the frequency or count of items in different categories, e.g., number of employees in each department. A *** pie chart * can also be used to show proportions, though often less preferred for multiple categories due to difficulty in comparing sizes. Ordinal. With an inherent order. A *** bar plot * can also be used, ensuring categories are ordered correctly, e.g., counts for poor, average, good ratings, if comparing a numerical variable across these ordered categories. A *** box plot * or ** violin plot * is excellent for displaying the distribution. For ** numerical data. Discrete, countable integers. A *** bar plot * can show the frequency of each discrete value if there aren't too many unique values, e.g., frequency of 1 project completed, 2 projects completed. A histogram * can also be used to show the distribution if there's a wider range of discrete values. Continuous, measurable values. A *** histogram * is perfect for visualizing the distribution, showing where values are concentrated, e.g., distribution of salaries. A *** box plot * or *** violin plot * can show central tendency, spread, and outliers when comparing two continuous variables. A *** scatter plot * reveals their relationship or correlation, e.g., salary versus age. A *** line plot * is suitable for showing trends over time or ordered sequences.
As you can see in the generated figure, the top left bar plot clearly shows the frequency of employees across different departments, illustrating nominal categorical data. The top right histogram effectively displays the distribution of monthly salaries, highlighting the common salary ranges for continuous numerical data. The bottom left scatter plot reveals the relationship between projects completed and monthly salary, with points colored by rating, demonstrating how two numerical variables can be compared. Finally, The bottom right box plot concisely compares the salary distributions across different employee ratings, showcasing the utility of visualizing a numerical variable against an ordinal categorical one.